Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Today we're going to be talking about the power of content marketing and how it can help you do just that. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, understanding the basics of content marketing is crucial for driving engagement and growing your brand. And let me tell you, it's one of the most exciting and effective ways to do it. First off, what is content marketing? Simply put, it's the process of creating valuable and informative content that is tailored to your target audience. But it's so much more than that. It's the opportunity to connect with your audience on a deeper level, to tell your brand story, and to showcase your expertise. This can include blog posts, videos, social media posts, and more. The goal is to establish yourself as an authority in your industry, while also providing value to your audience. And let me tell you, nothing is more valuable than providing value to your audience. One of the biggest benefits of content marketing is that it can help you establish trust with your audience. Trust is everything in business, and when you consistently provide valuable and informative content, people will begin to see you as a credible source of information. This, in turn, can lead to increased engagement, brand loyalty, and even sales. Imagine having a loyal following of customers who trust and believe in your brand. It's a game changer. Another key benefit of content marketing is that it helps you to build relationships with your audience. By providing helpful content, you're showing that you care about their needs and are willing to invest time and resources into helping them. This can lead to increased trust and loyalty, which can be incredibly valuable for your business. And let's be real, who doesn't want to have a strong relationship with their But content marketing isn't just about creating content for the sake of it, it's about creating content that resonates with your audience. It's about understanding their pain points, their interests, and their needs. It's about creating content that speaks to them and provides them with real solutions and valuable information. When you do this, you'll see a significant increase in engagement, which will in turn lead to more leads and ultimately more sales. And the best part? The possibilities with content marketing are endless. From blog posts, to videos, to infographics, to social media posts, the options are endless. You can get creative and have fun with it, while also reaching your audience in new and exciting ways. It's important to note that content marketing is a long-term strategy, and it may take some time to see results. But, if you consistently create high-quality content, the rewards can be significant. And trust me, the effort is worth it. In conclusion, content marketing is a powerful tool that can help your business thrive in today's digital landscape. By providing valuable and informative content, you can establish yourself as an authority in your industry and build trust with your audience. Remember, consistency is key, and the more you invest in creating valuable content, the more rewards you'll see for your business in the long run. So don't wait, start creating engaging content today and watch your business grow. Are you struggling to grow your business? Book a free consultation with us today and let our marketing experts help you take your business to the next level. With our proven strategies and tactics, we'll help you attract more customers, increase sales, and drive growth. Don't miss out, schedule your free consultation now and start seeing results. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to grow your business. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know your thoughts on content marketing. We'll see you next time.